have to do the alphabet.
Okay, let's do it. So, where did that A go? A stands like A for astronaut. B sounds like B for bridge. A, B, C sounds like C for castle. A, B, C, D. D for dog. D sounds like D for dog. How do I stop this? Doing the alphabet. E sounds like E for elephant. C, D, E, F, F. Feather. Sounds like for feather. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G sounds like G for grapes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let's see where it is. Sounds like H for hug. This is the hug. Let's put it on. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, found the I, found the I. I sounds like I for iguana. For iguana. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. J sounds like J for jumper. H, I, J, K. K, B, K for kite, or K for kettle. K sounds like K for kettle. L sounds like L for ladybird and Lucas. M sounds like M for mermaid. Oh, I need to get quick. The hole's getting bigger. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Sounds like for necklace. Now I know what the other one is. O sounds like O for otter. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. P sounds like for piano. Q sounds like quill. L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, orchid. R sounds like R for rocket. Q, R, S. S sounds like for snake. T sounds like T for teddy bear. U sounds like R for umbrella. Q, R, S, T, U, V. V. I didn't know it would be. V sounds like V for violin. W sounds like W for wheelchair. X sounds like X for X-ray. Y sounds like Y for yo-yo. Z sounds like Z for zip.
You have completed the alphabet. Now you must sing the song.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Well done, Lucas. You have completed the task and saved the hole from getting bigger.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I hope you learned your alphabet. Hit that like button